Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about increment operator in Java. So, the symbol of the increment operator is 2 plus, right? 2 plus symbol. This see, plus and plus. This is what the symbol of increment operator. The increment operator plus plus will increase or will increment the value of a variable by 1. If the value of variable is 10 and if you apply this operator, then it will become what? 11, right? This is what the work of increment operator. Fine. So based on the place where this increment operator is present, okay, it can be classified into two types. What are the two types? Pre-increment and post-increment. Fine. These are the two types of increment operator present, pre-increment and post-increment. So basically, increment operator is a unary operator because this operator performs operation on one operand only. Number of operands are what? One. That is the reason increment operator is a unary operator. Is it clear? Now let's cover one by one. First pre-increment and then post-increment. So pre-increment. See, if the increment operator is placed before variable, then it is called pre-increment operator. For example, this, see, a is a variable and this plus plus is placed before a. So this is what pre-increment case. In this case, value is incremented first and then the value is used. First increment will take place and then you can use this value in your expression. For example, I have this. See, int a is equal to 10. Then what I am doing, int b is equal to plus plus a, pre-increment, right? And then I am printing system.out.println a, 3 dashes, then b. Fine. So what will be the output? Think once. See, initial value of a is what? 10. Initial value of a is what? 10. Then what is you are doing? Pre-increment plus plus a. What is the point here? Value is incremented first. So this a value will become now what? A value will become what? 11, right? Value is incremented first. So a got incremented and it becomes 11 and then it is assigned to b. That is b is equal to what? 11, right? This is the case over here. So initial value of a is what? 10 and the value of b becomes 11 and the final value of here it should be what? A. The final value of a. A is what? 11. Fine. Got the point? Because first increment will take place. So a was initially 10. So it got incremented. So it becomes 11. And in our expression, what is this? Int b is equal to plus plus a plus plus a. So b become what? 11. Because after the increment, the value of a is what? 11. So I hope this much is pretty much clear to you. Fine. Now let's see the next. So the next is post increment. So what is post increment? See, if the increment operator is placed after variable, then it is called post increment operator. For example, a, then plus plus is there. After the variable, plus plus is there. So this is the case of post increment. In this case, value is first used in an expression and then increment the value by 1. Fine. For example, this. See, initial value of a is what? 10. And here what you are doing, int b is equal to a plus plus. But it is the case of post increment. So first, the value is used in an expression. It means, what is the initial value of a? 10, right? So first step is this 10 is assigned to this b. So b becomes what? 10, and then this increment takes place. So final value of a will what? 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. This is the case here. So if you see, this will be a. It's a mistake in PPT. So initial value of a is what? 10. Value of b, assignments take place, so 10, and then final value of a, increment will take place. Then the final value of a is what? 11, because earlier it was what? 10. So incremented by 1 is what? 11. I hope this much is pretty much clear to you. So if you will try to print system.out.println a, so a value, final value is what? 11, 3 dashes, then b value is what? 10. This is the output. Fine. Next. So important points regarding increment operator. So the first point is it is applicable only for variables, not for constant values. For example, here what I'm trying to do, see, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to plus 10. This 10 is what? A constant value, right? And I am applying this operator on constant value. What will happen? You will get a compile time error saying unexpected type, required variable, found value. You can't apply this on constant value. It is applicable only for variables. That is the reason you are getting this compile time error. If you want, so I can show you. Let me show you. I have this operators file. In last lecture also I have used this. So int a is equal to 10. Then what I'm using, int b is equal to plus 10. Then I'm trying to print system.out.println. So a 3 dash plus b. Fine. This is my program. So this program is saved at which location? CMD, this document location in my case. So from this location you have to open the command prompt. In my case it is already opened at this location, so I'm not opening again. You can open. So now I want to compile. So Java C, what is the file name? Operators.java. Hit enter. See, unexpected type, required variable, found value. This is what I am explaining in this PPT, right? I hope this point is clear. Remember this point, okay? Second, nesting is not allowed for increment operators. For example, you can't write like this. See, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to plus, and then you are again using this plus a. This is what called nesting of operator, right? This is not allowed. If you will do like this, you will get a compile time error again saying that required variable but found value. At this position, it is expecting a variable, but you are passing plus a. Fine, which will evaluate to a value. So it is not allowed. In this case also you will get compile time error. If you want to see, let me show you. See, here plus, then plus a. Save, open the command prompt, compile the program once again. See, the same error. Fine. Right. Next. What is the next point? Increment operator is applicable for every primitive type except Boolean type. For example, Boolean b is equal to false, and if you will do like this, b plus, then it will give you a compile time error that bad operand type Boolean for unary operator plus. Right? It is not allowed. You will get compile time error. If you want to see, let me show you. So Boolean b is equal to false, and then what you are doing, b plus. Save this, go to the command prompt, compile the file. See, bad operand type Boolean for unary operator plus. So these are the points you should take care of. So this is all about the increment operator. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the further updates.